I bought a bunch of KHY so that you don't have to. Well, unless we like it, of course, then maybe. Kylie Jenner doesn't have the best track record with clothing lines.
This literally made me angry to put on.
No.
I'm uncomfortable in this.
But we're gonna see if she can redeem herself with her new clothing line, KHY. I got a whole variety of products and they're calling this stuff fashion essentials that are quality at an accessible price. The box is giving Skims packaging for sure. Oh my gosh, wait, and the packaging that the clothes is in is giving Skims as well. Conspiracy theory. Actually, I already did some research. I found this secret website where you can look up the manufacturer of any brand. And from what I could find, the same manufacturer doesn't make this, but they could have the same like fulfillment center. That would make sense. I do like that KHY released some of their prices on their Instagram page before the launch. That way we weren't shocked on launch day. Although the downside to that is people definitely have opinions on the price that they weren't afraid to voice in the comments. But you will have to let me know in these comments as we look through this stuff if you think that it's accessible pricing or if you think that it's a little bit expensive for what it is. There he goes, every time. But I'm also gonna throw in some affordable alternatives to all of this stuff that I have found in case you're interested in any of that. I will say, I feel like they crushed the marketing and the look of both their Instagram page and their website. It's just so like clean and cohesive and aesthetic. I mean, it's the Kardashians. I feel like they have the best people working on that. Also, can we talk about the fact that this stuff launched a week ago and they already announced drop 2? Girly Pop, give us time to recover from the first one. We haven't even like seen the reviews of drop 1 yet. Maybe that was on purpose actually, now that I think about it. Anyway, the second drop is this like colorful puffer coat line. It's cute, but like 2 weeks between drops. I hope that's not a regular thing because no one's gonna be able to keep up. Okay, let's start with our KHY seamless basics. And then we're gonna work our way up to the more expensive stuff. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this stuff, my immediate thought was this looks an awful lot like Skims. Okay, so here's our legging. Interesting. I have thoughts already. I made a mistake. I thought that I was getting the leggings and this leather hoodie. Turns out I bought the leggings twice because the picture for both items is both items. So now I'm stuck with 2 leggings and no hoodie, so that's really sad. But to go with the leggings, I also got the seamless mock neck. Oh my gosh, wait. I love this because the top actually has like a seamless edge to the turtleneck part. I feel like that's gonna be so comfy. Okay, but I'm actually pretty excited. Okay, let's talk about these tags because they're really cute and just like simple. And then of course we have just the printed, which I do appreciate instead of one that's like, I don't know, digging in, doing something weird. I do like a built-in tag. Okay, made in China. Okay, my initial first impressions are already better than the swim, but we're gonna try this on. And of course, you know I had to get the Skims version to compare it to because Skims also has a seamless collection. They actually have a couple different seamless collections. Interesting, huh? Okay, I'm gonna try these on and side by side them, but just from holding them, I'm gonna say the Kylie one feels like better quality. I guess it depends on what you're looking for though. The Skims one is a little bit more lightweight, whereas the Kylie one is like a true seamless knit. It's gonna be warmer for sure. And possibly more flattering, a little more snatchy, but I'll try them on and we'll do an actual comparison. Okay, size-wise, both Skims and KHY are available in extra small to 4XL. Price-wise, the KHY long sleeve was $52 and the Skims one is $68. They're both made primarily from a nylon material, but I will say the Skims is a lot more stretchy than the Kylie one is. Do you want stretch or do you want snatch? Just depends. Okay, and our leggings. KHY seamless is $58 and Skims seamless is $68. They're both a seamless knit legging, both very stretchy, but the KHY one has this really tight ribbed waistband, so it's really gonna suck you in. Skims is like more plushy. It's like a brushed, almost towel-like material. So here's the KHY material and here's the Skims material. Interesting. Just different. All right, let's try our KHY outfit on first. Oh my gosh, I just realized this might be the first video that you're watching with my new hair color. What do you think? It's very different from the pink, but honestly, I'm loving it. Okay, here is our KHY basics seamless outfit, I guess you could call this. I mean, it's cute. I love the neckline of this top. It is very comfy with that seamless top. There's just something about like a fitted turtleneck. I love the thumb holes. I like the top a lot. The leggings, are these a $60 legging? No, I can already tell that they're kind of see-through. So definitely don't ever like work out in these, but gosh, even just to wear like around the house, I feel like there's comfier options. As many of you may know, I'm a bit of a legging connoisseur, so it takes a lot for me to be like, go spend your hard-earned $60 on these. And they're okay. I give them like a 7.5 out of 10, but I don't know. I see myself keeping this top and pairing it with leggings that I like better. You agree? Okay, but here's our Kylie. We're gonna side by side it with our Skims in just a minute. Honestly, the waistband isn't doing much for me because it's really tight up along here, but not where I need it. So, I don't know. They're just okay. All right, keep and return piles. Long sleeve seamless from Kai. I am keeping that. I really enjoyed it. The leggings though, I'm gonna have to return those, as well as the extra pair that I accidentally ordered for unknown reasons. Okay, and here's our Skims version of the set. This fabric is like buttery soft, very thin, like I said, which just like scares me. I'm afraid I'm gonna like wreck it and it's just gonna get snagged and destroyed. It's also just not quite as flattering. Like I feel like it doesn't snatch me like the Kylie one does. You can kind of see the lumps and bumps and rolls, which is okay, but definitely more breathable. We've kind of got our fall shirt and our winter shirt, I guess. I don't know, for the price, I definitely like the Kylie one more. This one doesn't have thumb holes or anything like super special about it. The leggings though, I think I do like these better than the Kylie ones. The waistband hits just a little bit lower for that tummy snatching action that we need. I don't know, they're just like soft and comfy, and the texture and the plushiness of it just kind of like smooths everything out very nicely. Oh, and life hack, I actually got these leggings from Poshmark from somebody for like $10 cheaper than normal, and they're brand new, so life hack for you. Also, this top is definitely a little bit more cropped. Like I'm not even trying and it's just kind of riding up. So I think the Kylie top is the clear winner of the tops, but the Skims leggings are a little bit better. Oh, by the way, I got a size large in pretty much everything that you're seeing today. Okay, as promised, our affordable alternatives section. If you're looking for this look, but you're on more of a budget, I have to send you to CRZ Yoga. They're one of my favorite affordable activewear brands. So I highly recommend this Butterluxe mock neck and then pair it with their Butterluxe leggings. And you basically have an entire outfit for the cost of one of these leggings. So CRZ Yoga, affordable alternative. Not sponsored, I just really like them. Okay, next thing. All right, now we're getting into our faux leather stuff. Starting with the pants. Ow, these are not what I was expecting. What the heck? Why do they seem so big? What is going on? Did I get the wrong size? I literally didn't. I'm so confused because even on the website, it's like, go with your normal size. It's meant to fit snug. Maybe once I put them on, it will surprise me, but okay, one second. No. What? I'm sorry. They look like, I was gonna say fake plastic, but they are fake plastic. Material for this is PU leather, which is just polyurethane plastic leather. This is so goofy. What is, and here I was nervous that they were gonna be way too small. I don't know what went wrong here. I was very concerned because looking at the pictures of the models, like cute, amazing, they look great. And I love when brands down in the description, they'll put what size the model is wearing. But I was very thrown off because it says she is wearing a small and she is wearing a large. Is the large in the room with us? These girls look the same size. So here I was thinking like, oh my gosh, I got the wrong size. What is happening? I know that Kylie has been known for her like oversized leather pants look sometimes, but these are gonna fall off. If I'm walking down the street, these are gonna fall off. Well, be warned. I'm pretty sad about it because like they're cute pants. They're pretty good quality. They have real pockets. The ones in the back are fake, not real pockets. Real pockets up front though. And then I love this seam. Can you see that like piping there? It creates a really flattering line. Gosh, it'd be so cute if they fit, but they don't. So I guess that makes this decision easy. These were $118. I don't know. Faux leather pants are very expensive. I will say most of the ones that I've gotten are around $100. So that's like typical, but I wouldn't say affordable or accessible necessarily. I did find some alternatives for you girlies though. So option number one from Zara, very, very cute, like half the price. They also have that kind of flare look to them, or also a Hollister. Hollister is like, maybe some of you are thinking, oh, I haven't shopped there in forever. I feel like they're underrated. They have great pants and they have faux leather ones that look kind of like these ones. So some alternatives for you. And I'm tall, I'm 5'8". All right, the dress. think you already know where those are headed. What happened? Okay, so this dress is $148. Didn't the Instagram say it was gonna be 98? Maybe the shorter dress was less. That would make sense. Oh my gosh, I want it to fit because it's so cute. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, the dress fits better, but I will say this is not a one-woman job. This lining inside of it, and I don't know what's going on, but it's getting all bunched up. Like the bottom of the dress is not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be like straight down. And I don't know how to fix it other than to get someone else in here to tug on it. And I can't zip it up all the way, but pretend none of that's going on. And it does fit pretty nice. I feel like it's maybe a little bit of space. So I don't know, if you're in between sizes, I would almost say go down a size on all of this stuff, which is so bizarre. It's almost like Kylie's team heard the feedback from how much we hated the micro bikinis, so they really just overcompensated with this leather fabric. It's a lot. If I can figure out how to put this on right, this is a really cute dress. It has a little zipper in the back that you can either zip up or down, you know, for either, you can have like a little peekaboo moment if you want. And then the top is really cute. It has this like corset detailing, some little pockets. Are they real? Oh wow, the zipper has a tiny KHY written on it too. Oh wow, they are real pockets. I mean, cute dress. Is it $150 cute? I don't know. I might have some alternatives for you, but I mean, this collection all did well. Like most of it is sold out after a week, so I think it's been received pretty well. Nobody talks about how hot leather is, even faux leather. Jeez. Oh. Okay, well, stay tuned if I figure out how to put this dress on right, but okay, affordable alternatives. I found this ASOS dress on the Nordstrom website, and it is currently on sale for $43, and they have this in a size 0 through 14, so cute option. You know, I think I'm actually gonna keep this dress. With some help getting it on, I think it'll be cute, and I don't have a faux leather dress, so yeah. Overall final thoughts, it was pretty good. I feel like I'll keep an eye on KHY. I'm not gonna be like running to get every single launch because obviously it was kind of 50-50 in the end, but it has potential. Not bad for her first launch. Make sure to check out my Good American review or all of my Skims reviews if you haven't binge watched those yet, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye, YouTube.